In this video, I want to talk about lists and I start with unorder list. I delete this one and for unorder list we use ul tag. For setting item we use list. For setting list item we use li tag and close li and type my favorite foods, for example pizza, another list hamburger, another one chicken. Save, refresh. There you go. It's a list with bullet icon. I can use text formatting for unordered lists that you learned in previous lecture. For example, I string this one for bolding, italic this one, I use en, and underline this one, use ins tag. Save, refresh. There you go. Pizza is bold, hamburger is italic, and chicken is underline. That's it. Excellent. I will see you next lecture. Good luck.